Hello guys, welcome to my SNMX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to adjust this slot machine. If you have like this slot machine, then you can follow me how to adjust this machine. Sometimes it happens minus and it happens plus become. But today we will solve this minus and plus. It is not adjusted, but I will adjust and I will show to you by adjusting the machine, okay? The name of this slot machine is Sumo Digital in Corporations, that means company of Sumo, okay? Now I will show how to adjust this machine with stone. Suppose you have like this a 5 kg stone. I have 5 kg stone here and I have kept there. And after keeping that one, you need to press on this blue color. It is a button of switch off and switch on also, okay? Now I have long press here and it is going on switch on. Now see, it is a number of lot, okay? It is going on and you have seen here 0.000. That means there is a no kg, no lot on this machine, okay? After showing that number, you need to pick up the stone on that machine. I have picked off. Now we have seen here 5.190. I mean 5 kg, 190, or sometimes it happens 95. That means 190 gram or 195 gram, okay? But we have here only 5 kg stone. We need to adjust with this 5 kg stone that machine, okay? How to adjust that? You follow me. You will understand about that how to adjust that machine, okay? Now I have picked up the stone and lift to another place. And after keep that stone, you need to press that blow button. I mean, you need to switch off that machine, okay? I have long pressed that blow color at half and switch off. After that all, we should adjust, okay? For adjusting that machine, what you need to do? First of all, you need to click on that blue button. It is a switch on button, okay? And after clicking on that blue button, then you need to press that red button. I mean, that is a tear enter. I mean, it means that it is clear happens. If you have a different number showing here, then you need to clear that number, okay? But how to clear that number? To the help of this red button. That means tear enter button, okay? So first of all, I'm going to click on this blue color button. That means going to switch on it. I have clicked on that blue button. It is a long press. I will click, okay? And after, you need to press that tear enter, that means red button. First of all, you need to click on that blue, and secondly, you need to click on this tear enter. That means at the same time, you need to click on that board button. And now we have seen here tail. That means calculation that, okay? After that's all, after clicking on that button, I will show one by one. Don't worry, I'm here with you. I will help you, okay? Now, what I need to do? This is a MR, this is a M plus, this is mode, MODE, this is tear enter. I means if the number of this lot will be different, then you should click on this tear enter. That means it is a clear of number, okay? So first of all, you will click on that mode button, okay? I have clicked 1, and more time you need to click 2, and then it's showing lot. That means that you need to pick up the stone on that lot machine, okay? I have already kept here 5 kg stone, and I will pick up and keep on this machine, okay? I have kept that stone on that lot machine. After keeping on that lot machine, they will come back on here, and we have seen here lot written. Now you will do click on this mode button. We have 5.200. That means 5 kg 200 gram here. We need to adjust that 5.200 gram, okay? If your machine has shown like this number, then what will you do? You need to click on that MR button, okay? I have clicked 1, twice, 3 times I have clicked here, and 4 times you need to click. If you click on 4 times on that button, then the number of will be here 000. I mean 0.000. There is a no kg and there is a no number of lot, okay? And how to do for adjusting with this tone? It is a 5 kg. You need to write 5.00 here. How to write? First of all, you will click on that MR plus, okay? Click. If you click on MR plus 1 time, then here will show 1. What to do? It will be 5 because the stone is 5 kg, okay? So for making 5 kg, we need to click here 5 times, okay? I click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what need to do? You will click on that MR button more time, okay? I have clicked and click twice. Now here is coming 5. I have clicked 4 times here. If you click 4 times, then 5 number will come here directly, okay? Because before clicking that button, 5 number was here. After clicking on that MR button, Lastly, we need to click one time on that mode button, okay? Because if you click on that mode button, here will show done. Now see, I will click on that mode button. Okay, done written has on here because I have done all. After making that all, how many kg showing here? 5 kg only, okay? After doing everything, you need to click on that blue button. First of all, you have to switch off your machine, okay? I have switched off and pick up that stone. After pick up that stone, you will open that machine, okay? I have opened up. It is going switch on. That is showing 0.000. There is a no lot, no kg here, okay? If you have any stones, then you will pick up on that machine. I have picked up 5 kg stone at that machine. Here is showing 5 kg only because we have adjusted that machine with that stone. I have keep and I have picked up the 5 kg stone on that machine, and here is becoming 5 kg only, okay? I hope you have understood my teaching. If you like my video, you will do subscribe, like, share, and comment also, okay? Bye bye, thanks.